The Cordless Dental Flosser IPX7 is expertly crafted with input from a renowned American dentist, ensuring a superior flossing experience with its precision water column and adjustable pressure settings. This portable oral irrigator is user-friendly, featuring an easily detachable water reservoir that simplifies cleaning and refilling, catering to the needs of both adults and children. With a robust battery life, it can operate continuously for up to 45 days on a full charge, making it ideal for frequent travelers or those with busy lifestyles. Its IPX7 water resistance allows for safe use in the shower, backed by wireless magnetic charging that eliminates leakage concerns. The sleek and modern design of this water flosser makes it an excellent gift choice, appealing to those who appreciate high-quality and stylish personal care products. Designed for portability, the flosser includes a built-in hose and interchangeable dust cover, making it perfect for use at home or on the go.